Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sachdeva from ABS Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad. I am in 4th year department CSE and this video is regarding with my 4th year project presentation. So let's begin. First of all, I am going to introduce my teammates. So in this project, my teammates are Shadab Ansari and Sneha Jain, and I am Saksham Sachdeva, the speaker. We did this project under the guidance of Dr. Rizwan Khan, and we take different kind of help from him where we get stuck in our project, and our project title is Cryptolands. So these are the outlines of our project introduction, goals, and project execution. At the end of this project, I am going to show you a little tutorial of what our project works and how it works. So let's begin with the introduction. And this Cryptolands project is basically a blockchain based land registry system. As we all know, land registry is sometimes very cumbersome because of all the paperwork, and there are some challenges where we have to compromise with the security and quality of the paper which we are publishing there. So this project specifically works upon the digital arena which we are creating, and buying and selling of lands, how we are selling and how we are buying lands online without any third party or without any mediator who can ask for bribe or money. This project also revolves around a new technology arising, blockchain, which give us various application about proof of work, and with the help of Ethereum Solidity, which we have used in this project, we are able to develop a smart contract where we don't need to add any mediocre in this project. So I am going for next slide. So our main roles of this project are to eliminate the physical archive of any contract, which means we are not going to add any physical paperwork here, and all of the work will be done online on an online portal which we have created. Increase resilience and redundancy means which we have reduced redundant work like distributing paperwork to various places, and giving different kind of mortgage to different people to get our work done. Most as we have used blockchain technology in this project, so we can ensure you greater security and better validation due to proof of work and transaction which we are using in the blockchain system. It is transparent as blockchain provide us the decentralized system. Whichever person is connected to this system will be automatically connected to the blockchain network and get all the transactions, all the properties updation and deletion to this project will be automatically downloaded and automatically shown to that person. Another, so next I want to tell you about this project is this project actually works on the three level. There are three types of users in this project. One is buyer, and another one is seller, and the third one is admin. So how this project works is when a buyer gets when a user register to this portal, he will automatically get to the home page where he can see all his properties which he have been registered. So if he want to register any new property, he can register new property, and he can also buy property from that portal. Also he can sell its property. I mean this all the properties are already which are already uploaded are on the stake of selling. So anyone can ask for buying any property. It's depend on user who owns that property to whether or not to accept that request or not. So at the end, the admin when the both parties agrees, the third The third one, the admin will come into play, and he will decide if this transaction, if this buying or selling should be approved or not. So let's get hands on to this project. uh, so this is our landing page. You cannot go to any other page when you are when you start this project. So let's begin. I'm registering as a user, as I've created my ID over here. So I'm just logging in. As you can see in on the alert box, I have already allotted myself a wallet ID, as it was given to me by the blockchain network, and it will redirect me to my home page, where you can see that I am logged in as this email ID, and these are all my registered properties which I want to sell, or which I want to store it on a blockchain network. So next I want to share this, like this is a registered land form where you can register your land. This is how you can enter your states, like the state is Maharashtra. District, you can enter any district, your district, like I mean Kochi. I don't know where it is, but I'm entering any random number over here. Village is Bhagalpur, and survey number is this survey number you can get when you register your land. I mean when you will get your land documents uploaded on this portal, you will have that survey number. I'm adding it as a complement number, and market value, on which basis you will get this market value on their circle rate, and at the end you will register your land. So this is MetaMask, Ethereum blockchain third party browser, which will confirm your transaction. And here you can see our gas. There are two types of fees. Here are gas fee, which tells us how much will it cost to register our land. Okay, so when I'm going to confirm it and transaction is done, you can see that there are already various types of transaction already done here. Also my credit balance is reduced than before. This is your wallet, and this is your wallet ID you will get when you join the network. Okay, now I will redirect you to my home page so that you can uh, see this. The property has been added to my properties, and now I am going to, if I want to buy any property, then I'm going to show you how it is done. So these are available property, and okay, so I've already requested to this property. Let me get you to another user so that you can see this tutorial. I am signing in as another person. I'm logged in as on different. So this is another person, and it have different properties on his end. So he can buy any other properties. You can see here there are a bunch of properties. Some of are requested already, so this will won't work. And if I want to buy the property on the top, like this Mumbai property, so I will add request button over here. This button will be blocked once requested, and I will see if I have any property request. So this user have no property request. This means no one wants to buy, I mean no one has requested them to buy any property. So I'm logging in as another user, because this was previous user's property, and it will show if he got the request or not. Okay, so signing in and done. So I'm going to see if I have any property request. Yes, this person wants to buy my property. If I accept this, my properties will be accepted. Now I have to go to admin page where admin will confirm this, and I'm logging in as admin. As I've logged in as admin, I have a bunch of requests over here. You can see that the buyer is this and the seller is this, and I have property ID over here. I can approve it if I want to, and the property has been sold to the requested person over here. So whenever you refresh the page, you have to log in. I have not maintained any session over here just because it was out of security reasons, that I have to make it more secure, that every time page reloads user must log in again. So admin will log in again to see if the request has been approved or not. See, that first property has been approved and went straight to the person who tries to bought it. So I'm logging in as another person who bought it. So I have now lesser properties than before, and wait a second, I'm going to log in as another person who actually bought it, a@a.com, and the password is, this person has two properties, as he have bought recently two properties. At the starting of the video or in the middle, I've shown you that this person only have one property, and now so that the transaction has completed, it got another property. Now he can't see this property in this area, and you can also buy another property. As you have seen, there are many requested properties over there. Admin needs to approve those transactions. Either not, he can decline it also. So this is our basic agenda of this project. There are many future improvements in the project, such as investment purposes, like we are planning to add some tokens which a person can buy a share of land and can keep it for further investment purposes. Thank you so much. At the end, now I want to say that we have submitted our project research public paper and it has been published. I thank you so much for for giving me chance for presenting this. Thank you so much.